Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make a basic sleeve tutorial. So the measurement that we're going to work with is our bust divided by 12. We're going to need our armhole divided by 2. We're going to need our bicep divided by 2 and our full length. I will start by drawing the line. This line is going to help me to be able to start my measurement. So my bust is 38 divided by 12 is 3.1. So I'm going to mark 3.1. I'll draw the line. My armhole divided by 2 is 9. On this line, I'm going to mark 9. 9. Then I'll make a vertical line. So we're going to find the half of this. So the easiest way is to do like this. Okay. So my full length is 10. What we're going to do, we are going to use our French ruler. My bicep divided by 2 is 6.5. I'll mark 6.5 here. 6.5. So I'm going to add 1 inch sewing allowance. And 1 inch sewing allowance. I'm going to add 1/2 inch sewing allowance at the cap. And just mark 1/2 inch, 1/2 inch, 1/2 inch, then connect the dots. Now I do not have enough space. That is 1/2 inch all the way. Let me just cut a little bit. So what we are going to do now, we are going to cut. So this is our basic sleeve. If you want to make it long, you can make it long.